The Honeywell Initiative for Science and Engineering is a program that is jointly done between Honeywell and the local university, in this case UABC, Universidad Autónoma de Baja California. And it's a program that is directed at motivating the students to go after the careers in the science and engineering.
I'll say right here in Mexicali, it's a vital part of our engineering organization. And I always tell people the most important ingredient to our future success is access to the next generation of engineers, scientists, and innovators.
It was a great experience because you get to meet important people from Honeywell, from the university, and from the Nobel Laureate. And you don't get to meet those kind of people every day.
The HISE initiative has been in place in Mexico for the past 7 years. This is the 5th time it's taking place in the region, 4th time in Mexicali, and so far I could say that it's creating only positive results.
If we can go out and map the universe in successive spheres away from us in distance, there are also successive spheres back in time. The young people have a lot of energy and enthusiasm, but they're also really interested in what kind of careers could they have, what could they contribute to society, what kind of opportunities are there for them to do things.
When you hear that a Nobel Laureate is going to be at your school, it's like, what? Then you see it's a regular guy who is working really hard, and it's an example of what you can do, what you can achieve.
It will give us a big picture of what we could actually become, because most of the picture we have here is just working in a factory that's here in Mexicali. Our perspective is not too wide, and when we get somebody from the outside, that helps us to see part of the big picture.
Honeywell is a perfect example of how they are corporate responsible, socially responsible by investing on students, investing on the future, not just the present.
I think it's a very important thing, and I commend Honeywell for having been doing this for many years now.
Honeywell is not only seen as an employer anymore in the region, in Mexicali, it's seen as an integral part of the community.
When we think of the 5-year plan, the growth strategy will continue to evolve with our great portfolio. Sales over the next 5 years will be growing 4 to 6%, so that we should add 7 to 12 billion, getting to 46 to 51, and you'll see a lot of it just coming from